Transform your dog's health and WAG factor with the ultimate guide to making delicious and nutritious raw dog food at home. This isn't just about convenience. It's about unlocking your dog's full potential with a balanced, increasingly raw and diverse BARF diet. Let's dive in and learn exactly how to craft the perfect raw meal for your furry best friend. The foundation of any great raw diet is high-quality protein. We're talking muscle meats. Think chicken thighs, beef, lamb, or turkey. Organ meats are non-negotiable and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Liver, heart, and gizzards are excellent choices. Don't forget boning options for calcium and phosphorus, or bone meal as an alternative. Aim for roughly 80% muscle meat, 10% organ meat, and 10% bone. Next up, we add the goodness of vegetables and some fruits. These provide fiber, antioxidants, and additional vitamins. Finely chop or puree options like carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, broccoli, or blueberries. Ensure they are safe for dogs and avoid toxic ingredients like onions and garlic. About 510% of your dog's diet should be made up of these vibrant additions. To ensure a truly complete and balanced diet, we need to supplement. Essential additions include omega-3 fatty acids, typically from fish oil, for skin and coat health, and probiotics to support gut health depending on your dog's specific needs. You might also include vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, zinc, or digestive enzymes. This nutritional balancing act is crucial for long-term health. Safety is paramount when preparing raw food. Always practice good hygiene. Wash your hands thoroughly before and after handling raw meats. Keep all surfaces, utensils, and bowls clean and sanitized to prevent bacterial contamination. Store raw food properly in the refrigerator or freezer, and thaw frozen portions safely in the fridge. When assembling a raw meal, combine your muscle meat, organ meat, bone source, vegetables, and supplements in the correct proportions. Mix everything thoroughly for dogs new to raw. Introduce it gradually to avoid digestive upset. Start with a small percentage of the diet and slowly increase over a week or two. Consulting with your veterinarian or a canine nutritionist is highly recommended to tailor the diet to your dog's individual needs, breed, age, and activity level. By following these steps, you're not just making food for your dog, you're investing in their vibrant health, energy, and longevity. Happy raw feeding.